Hey there, bread lovers! Are you ready to start your journey towards becoming a master bread maker? Well, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the essential tools for beginner bread makers. These tools are going to make your bread making experience easier, more efficient, and more enjoyable. So, let's get started. First off, let's talk about one of the most important tools for any bread maker, the bread pan. This is where your dough will rise and bake, so it's important to choose one that is high quality and durable. I recommend opting for a non-stick bread pan to ensure your loaves come out easily and with a perfect shape every time. Next up, we have the bread knife. Now, you might be thinking, can't I just use any old knife to cut my bread? Well, yes, you could, but a bread knife is specifically designed to give you that perfect, smooth slice every time. Trust me, once you start using a bread knife, you'll never go back to using a regular knife again. Another essential tool for beginner bread makers is a dough scraper. This little tool may seem insignificant, but it's actually a game changer. It's perfect for scraping excess dough off work surfaces and also for dividing dough into equal portions. You'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Next, we have the bread proofing basket. This tool is not only functional but also adds a beautiful touch to your bread. It's used to support the dough as it rises, giving it that classic bread shape. Plus, it adds those signature lines that you see on artisan bread. And the best part, it's reusable and easy to clean. Now, onto one of my personal favorites, the dough whisk. This handy tool is perfect for mixing dough without overworking it. It's also great for incorporating ingredients evenly and creating a smooth, consistent dough. Trust me, this will become your go-to tool for all your bread making needs. Lastly, let's talk about a tool that will make your life so much easier, the bread machine. Now, this may not be essential for all bread makers, but for beginners or those who struggle with kneading dough, a bread machine can be a game changer. It takes the hard work out of bread making and produces consistent, delicious loaves every time. So, there you have it, the essential tools for beginner bread makers. With these tools by your side, you'll be well on your way to making delicious, homemade bread like a pro. I hope this video has been helpful, and if you have any other tools that you think are essential for bread making, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more bread making tips and tricks. Happy baking!